Fireboy is the fire suppression system on board for the engine room and generator. Well, I had a certified company come in and test it, and it's not working right. It's not shutting down the engine and generator like it's supposed to, so I have to figure out why. So we're here to address a couple issues. First is the master stateroom AC. We have to replace some RJ plug ends and a temp sensor end and see if we can get that to work. I got some suggestions from the medic on how to deal with that problem. And then the other problem we have to deal with is the fire suppression system isn't operating correctly. We had the fire suppression company come and try to certify it, but it didn't work correctly. And by the way, you have to be licensed and all that kind of stuff to certify a fire suppression system. I troubleshoot them, I fix them, but I don't certify them. So that's what we're hoping to do today. Let's see how it goes. So I'm trying this one more time. I got a different wiring schematic. We're going to try some different things.
See all those tiny wires again.
Yep. All right, got that put on. Let's go put and see what happens. Last week when I was here, we tried something and it didn't work. And so this is the workaround that I've been given from the medic, is to try a different type of temp sensing probe. It's got a different ohm value to it, so maybe that'll start making it work. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna put these on here, Carrie Ann, and you're gonna tell me if those two dashes go away right there.
I'm still looking at two dashes.
There we go. See that?
We got 33.
It's working.
Oh, 84, I mean, sorry.
Yep.
Well, what's that mean?
That means that the temp sensor, that means Louis Swingle at the Medic Corporation got it fixed.
Super cool.
Mm-hmm. That's good news.
I bet I know some boat owners that are going to be super excited with you, because it's pretty warm in this boat with no AC.
Well, they have AC, and this one worked. It just ran nonstop.
Oh, gotcha. It seems pretty warm in here.
Mm-hmm. Let's come on, you. That should turn back to a number right there.
Ooh, I see 85 now.
Nice. Okay, we're just going to tuck this guy back up in here, put that back in there, put this little filter back in there. It still says 85. Now what we should do is go to mode. It's on. We've got airflow. Well, let's see what I've got the forward one set for. Got the forward one set for 75, so we'll set this one for 75. Now we will go down below, pushing these wires back where they need to go and closing things up. Okay, out we go. Next thing I'm going to look at while I'm here . So the Fireboy is the fire suppression system on board for the engine room and generator. I had a certified company come in and test it, and it's not working right. So it's not shutting down the engine and generator like it's supposed to, so I have to figure out why. What I'm going to have to do is figure out how to get in here underneath here. Now I know how to do that. Let's see. All right, let's see here. Oh man, come on, where is it? think that's the wire right there. Well, right now I'm not looking for a wire, I'm looking for a box.
Oh, a box. Okay.
Yeah. I think this might be it right here, but I can't be for sure because I can't, of course, see it. Oops. And I can't get to it. Let me see if I can get a picture of it. What we got here? No, that's not it. That's trim tabs. Shucks. Hey, Joe, how are you? Hey, I'm working on a 52 Princess down here in Key West, and let me start off by saying that the boat got hit by lightning. And because of that, the insurance claim, we had to have a certified fire company come in and inspect it, and everything went well until they went to do the emergency shutdown. I have not been able to locate the control box as of yet. I'm guessing that you're going to want that information off the control box before we can really do any troubleshooting. Yeah, okay, that's what I was afraid you're going to say. So I'm going to pull down some more overheads and see if I can find this thing, and when I do, I will get back to you. Thanks, bye. That's Garmin. That's engine room camera.
Would it be in this next panel?
Well, that's what I'm getting ready to look at. You know, I need to get to the control box, and I just can't even imagine where it is. You know, unless it's behind the circuit breaker panel, which is maybe possible, I guess. Okay, so here's my question. The insurance company had us get a fire suppression company to come on board and certify the fire system, and it failed the generator and engine shutdown. I've worked on these systems before, but my problem is I cannot find the Fireboy control box. So I'm curious if you have any thoughts on where this Fireboy box, normally the wire coming from the display up at the helm, the wire is usually 4 feet long. Underneath the helm, I took off that first overhead panel, and there's all kinds of electronics in here. There's just not a Fireboy box in here. All right, I'll go down there and dig around some more. I already looked, but I didn't see it. But let me go check again, John. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, I was just checking in to see how you're making out. Have to. Come on. Let me check one more thing. Let me see here. I think what I'm going to do is come back. All right.
Wow, this looks like a nice ride.
I'm telling you, it's
This-
the smoothest little Santa Claus I've
This
ever
could
had in my
definitely
life.
be my dinghy ride. This looks like a blast.
Come now.
What do you think,
went
Matt?
up- Yeah. So it's got a stereo, it's got the GPS.
Yep.
Or the chart plotter, whatever.
And what's this called again, John?
It's a high field.
High Field, okay.
So if you guys can get the dealership for this is the new thing for ribs. Because it's not glass, it's aluminum.
Yeah.
And they guarantee you for 10 years that you're not going to have a problem with aluminum, with the salt water. They're lightweight. That thing is 660 pounds with the engine. Yeah, it's got a 6-gallon tank up there under the seat that's built in. What I'm going to do is tell you to come down here someday. I'll toss you the keys. You guys take it for a run and see what you think of it.
Are you gonna take me for a run?
You guys take it for a run and see what you think of it. Happy to do it. But I think you guys really could do a number down here with that. It's kind of cool, isn't it?
It is very cool.
Yep.
That is a perfect picture of a person from Alabama.
Yeah, there you go.
Covered with smoke with sausage in front of her.
Yeah, I was telling Matt to save your sausage because you were gone.